Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome to my channel. Today's video is a lot different than my regular uploads. It's not a skincare video, it's not a makeup video, it's a Myntra haul. Yay, after ages, I know, right? So all of the pieces I'm going to show you in this video are keeping in mind one complete outfit. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first kurti that I have with me here is from the brand Rain and Rainbow, and it's their women black and golden printed straight kurti, and this is in the size S. So I picked up S size for this, and this is basically the length of the kurti. It's not a very long kurti, and the quality is nice. If you want to wear it with your jeans or leggings or I don't know, a patiala, you could totally rock it with those also. The reason why I picked up a smaller one is because of course I wanted to pair it with a palazzo, which I'll show you and talk about in a minute. Let me give you a zoomed in look of the kurti and the material. So here is the design of it, and the material is nice. It's not very thin or flimsy. It's a nice material, and it feels nice also when wearing it. And again, this is in the size S. So the palazzo that I have with me is from Sangria, and this is their women maroon solid flared palazzo, and I picked up in the size 32. Now I have to say, if you are like me, then you can size down. 32 was a little bit tight, even though this does have this drawstring, but you can't get like the perfect fit with just adjusting this. So I would say just size down a little bit, because this was a little too big on my waist. So everything that you are seeing in the footage, or you will see in the footage in this video, I had to use a safety pin, because of course I can't get it altered at the moment because of COVID. But ultimately I think all of the palazzos that I'm going to show you in this video, I'll have to get it altered, because I ended up buying the wrong size, or the size that I bought just does not fit me the right way. So yeah, just something that I wanted to throw out there. So this is the color of it, and it has got like this kind of detailing at the bottom. I really loved it. It is super flared, and if you want, you can actually buy longer kurtis to go along with it, but I generally don't end up wearing longer kurtis. If I have like a very nice flared palazzo, I would rather buy a short kurti and tuck it in, and I think that kind of looks a lot better, at least on me. But you could totally pair this up with a nice black or like a golden long kurti. That would also look nice. So this is the palazzo. Again, let me give you guys a closer look. The quality is really nice. It's not transparent whatsoever. For the next outfit, let me talk about the palazzo pant first. So it's from this brand called Indus, and it's the women black and golden foil printed wide leg palazzos, and again I picked up 32. I'm sure I could have sized down with this one also. This was loose again on my waist, so I had to use a safety pin, have to get it altered. But the quality is really nice. It has that like really nice satin feel to it. I'm not very keen or like educated on the material, but on the website actually it says that it's a polyester material. But I'm going to give you guys like a real close-up and zoomed in look on the print and the quality and the material. Maybe you guys can judge it better that way. So here is the whole foiled work at the bottom of the palazzo, and this gave me a very like bossy ethnic vibe. When I say bossy, I say that because it has got like those two pockets, not just one pocket, which was amazing. And yeah, it's not extremely flared, so if you don't want that look, then I think you can go for this one instead, because this has more of a straight cut but not extremely straight. It kind of flares at the bottom, so it looks very professional. I think this would be very nice for like a ethnic office setting. If you have some event or something at your office, then this would be really nice. And yeah, it did not feel uncomfortable, even though the material looks like that, but I did not feel any of that. So this is the next one. Now with this one, I actually did not have to hunt down for a top at all, because the model here was wearing this yellow colored top, and that's what I'm wearing right now. So I ended up finding the same top, and I was like, you know what, let's just get it, because on her the combination actually looked a lot prettier than just any random top. So I'm like, okay, let's get it. So yeah, so let me talk about the top now. So it's again from the same brand, and it's the yellow georgette ruffle tiered layered top. And for some reason, the one that model is wearing has like a nice length to it. It does not really look short on her. And funny thing is, the website, for some reason, I think at least for this top, does not state as to which size she is wearing, which could have been helpful, if they would have stated it. But I picked it up in the size S, and this is a little bit shorter, so you have to be careful. If you don't like that look, then I think you should skip it, or maybe size up. But I'm not entirely sure. If you size up, the length of it will increase. I hope so. But yeah, that is something that I wanted to talk about. But otherwise, the top with that palazzo looked very chic, again very office, like professional setting appropriate, and I totally loved the entire look together. So this was the next combination. Now my next and last outfit has to be my favorite. Actually, I really can't decide. I liked all three, but I don't know, somehow I really liked the whole look and vibe of it. It was very like pastel and just light and just airy, and I love that kind of a vibe. So let me talk about the pant first. And this is from the brand Here and Now, and I've shopped from this brand a lot. I have a lot of their kurtis, and so I was like, you know what, let's try it. So this is their women blue and white printed sharara pant. So they're actually calling it sharara instead of palazzo, but this is more like the first palazzo pant that I showed you guys. And again, I picked up the wrong size 33. I think this is the most widest of the three palazzos, so definitely size down, I would say, if you are like me. So that is that. But the whole pant, and just I absolutely loved it. The flare, the vibe and everything was nice. Let me give you like a closer look. So this is the kind of detail that is going on. And I have to again say that if you don't want to pair it with a short top, you could totally pair it with a longer top and make it more festive and more grand. But again, I am just not about that vibe, so I paired it up with a shorter top, which I'll talk about in a minute. But this looked beautiful, you guys. If you are bored or done with like deeper, darker reds and maroons and blacks, then definitely check it out. This was beautiful. The thing that happened with this pant was that I couldn't really find like a proper ethnic looking top which would go along with this. So I actually ended up buying this one instead. So this is from the brand called Harpa, and this is their women white self-designed semi-sheer top. But surprisingly, both of these went so beautifully. I think the top complemented the pant complemented the top, but it looked beautiful, you guys. At least to me, I think the look turned out beautiful. And yeah, if you tuck it in, then I mean, you're good to go. You can totally pair that top with this palazzo. Let me also quickly show you the top. So this is how the top looks like, and yeah, that is the length of it. But of course, because I had tucked it in, you couldn't really see it before. And this is the detailing. Lovely detailing, you guys. I really liked it. It's not transparent whatsoever, which I highly appreciate. You get a lining inside, which was nice, so you don't have to worry about wearing a nude or a white slip, which was amazing. And that was my last outfit. know your favorite outfit of the 3. Also, if you guys want me to make more fashion videos, Myntra haul, Ajio haul, lehenga hauls, I really want to, but I don't know if anybody wants to watch it. Anyways, if you guys want to watch it, then let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell notification right next to it, follow me on Insta, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.